There's no reason why I should be like this right now. Like, Profusion. Profusion. This is a huge. Oh, she's a big bitty. Hold on. I love this cosmetic brand so bad. I love it down. Like, when I first started like my beauty journey, Profusion was that girl that kept me going with all the colored looks. When I had so many people asking me what palette did I use on a lot of my colored looks, and I'm gonna drop some of the pictures in. If you know, you know. If you've been following me for a while, oh my gosh, I used to get asked so often, like, oh, what palette did you use? Where did you get that from? This is another affordable beauty brand. You can find her in Walmart, if I'm not mistaken, Target, CVS, Walgreens. Oh my gosh, she'sthebomb.com. So I just want to show you guys what they sent me, because I gugged when I looked at my front door and saw this big bitty outside. I was like, oh my gosh. So let's see what we got. So of course they sent me some. Y'all see me? I know I'm a little short over this box. They sent me some eye essentials. So it's some brushes in here. Perfect Pout Soft Matte Lip Tints. Three beautiful eyeshadow palettes, which we're going to be diving into, obviously. They sent a whole bunch of these like blush hour liquid blushes. Hold on. This is the first 3. And then you have the next 3. Super cute. Obviously, I'm going to dive into these because they're freaking adorable. They're so cute. They look delicious. Pigment bases for the palettes. Ooh. Bright lights. Oh, pastel. Let's say pastel because it is spring. Liners. Super cute. I didn't do my blush, so we're going to do my blush. I don't even know out of all of these what I want to choose. I know I still have this big old box in my face, but hey, I'm in here like a kid in a candy store right now. So y'all know I love me a baby pink type of look. The red, I'm not doing red. I'm a little scared of her, but she might be cute. We'll see. I like this one because it kind of has like a peachy undertone to it. So I'm thinking I want to do these 2 together. Y'all, when I tell you, when I saw this box at my door, I was like, oh, Profusion snapped. When they said they was gonna send your girl some goodies, I was like, oh, okay, you know, maybe an eyeshadow palette or 2. No, baby, they outdid themselves. So I'm gonna go in with Rosé and Mai Tai. I like those names. That is cute. So the top, first of all, the packaging is the cutest. You see that glittery top? Oh my gosh. Ooh. Cutie. And I'm just gonna place her. Oh. 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 Am I the only person that smells their makeup products? I know I can't be the only one. Seriously. Oh. Hold on. Same thing with this one. Like I said, I like this one because she has more of an orangey tint to her, but. Oh. Profusion. These look delicious. Let's see. And I'm gonna work my way up. First of all, that ombre is eating. Now I want to add a darker one because I'm looking at this now. Hold on, let me get this one here first, because that is insane. So the next one I'm gonna go on with is called Cosmo. This is more of like that orangey red shade too in here, and I'm just gonna pop her. Oh wow. She's bloody. And let's just get them blended in. First of all, I know Profusion to be like the color cosmetics. Like, they don't play. I'm gonna have this one here. She looks stunning, first of all. If y'all see a little bit of separation, I did set my face prior to putting this liquid on, but we're gonna do our best to keep her blended and not look so separate on the skin. Come on now here, treat me right. I'm about to add some more of that darker red one because I am gonna go back in with a little bit because like I said, I didn't really put too much of the dark one. I can go too heavy on it. But as you can see, like, this is crazy. Crazy. Like I said, I've known Profusion to be the color cosmetics girly when it came to like eyeshadow palettes, and I'm talking about pigment goes crazy. I'm actually gonna drop a few videos or video links, so if you see like my info card up here, click it. Don't ignore it, click it, because I've been using Profusion for a long time. I recommended it to people too. If you want like an affordable palette, but that's like great quality makeup, she will do it for you. That is just delicious. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more because now I think I'm a little blush crazy. Because they didn't have to snap on the blushes like this. Excuse me? Excuse me. Ma'am. Sir, ma'am. Ma'am, sir. Seriously, like, first impressions going crazy right now. Let me get myself together and like set my blush. Cause I'm like lost. I'm lost. I'm lost in the sauce because it's so delicious. The next thing I'm gonna go into, because I am gugged, is the pigment base. So they gave me two. One is a neutral and one is a white. I kind of appreciate the neutrals and the white just because it lets you decide whether or not you want to have like a subtle base or like a vibrant base. But because I'm gonna do, well, I don't even know what I want to do because hold on, the palettes in here, they have Romantic Rose in here, then they have like this Peaceful Peony color, but then they sent me Love Struck. Do you see the colors in this? This is crazy. I'm gonna go with the white base because I want these colors to pop. Now, y'all know I don't normally use a base. I normally use my concealer for a base because sometimes bases come off oily or greasy. So we're gonna test out this pigment base. It's an eyeshadow primer. Let's see what she's hitting for. Hopefully she's not greasy or loose. Because right now, looking at it, she looks like Elmer's glue. We're gonna see. She is sticky. I don't know, I'm a little worried, guys. This is why I don't use like bases. Cause to me, bases, they don't help me actually. Maybe I'm not using them right or what, but we finna find out right now. Okay, she is serving as a nice subtle white base. Not too heavy. She's definitely lighter than my concealer as far as like weight wise. I don't mean like color wise. Oh my gosh, this whole palette is just delicious. Okay, let me do one eye and then get back to y'all. Oh my gosh, you did not have to do this to me. Y'all, I said I was gonna do something off camera for you guys, but I lied because honestly, I haven't used Profusion in so long. But just tapping this color right now, oh my gosh. I'm about to go to Walmart and just OD on palettes because Profusion, literally the color cosmetics. It's just so juicy. Literally one tap of the brush. Mind you, I'm using the eyeshadow brushes too. Oh my gosh. Like, have you ever been just so in love with a palette before? All right, so the color that I'm using right now it changes. That's the color. That's that brown shade. And I'm really focusing it on my brow bone, trying to create like a nice C shape because I'm trying to go in for a subtle look. I don't really want it to be like so structured. I just want something that looks really flirtatious, if that makes sense. Alright, I'm not gonna go too heavy handed on that first color because it's really just a transition shade and I want to keep it soft. Mind you, speaking of soft, it's buttery. It's already buttery. And this base, I feel like it's not, I feel like it was kind of sticky so that my shades, like the pigments don't move. And I appreciate that. I'm gonna go in with, I hope it reads right. That's my biggest thing. I think I'm going with this one right here. Let me see first. I'm hoping it does. Okay, yes, she's definitely what I needed next. And I'm focusing that color in my crease. Eventually I'm gonna diffuse it out, but right now I'm focused on packing that color in my crease. And then we're gonna work our way outward. Oh, this palette is like definitely a date night palette. Where was this like for Valentine's Day? Because this is beautiful. Okay, so now that I got the green, like I said, I'm obsessed with the lavenders that are in here, and I'm thinking I want to go into that. But there's also like the shimmer shades in here are so disrespectfully pretty. It doesn't make any sense. And because I love the base so much, like the eyeshadow base that they have, I'm actually gonna go back in with that same eyeshadow base. I'm fighting for my life right now trying to choose a shade. I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shade on the lid as soon as I set the base again. I always like to look up when I do that so I know where like my crease naturally folds, so that way nothing looks unnatural. Create a soft cut crease, nothing too structured like I said from the beginning. And this is really just to get that shimmer shade to pop up on that lid and not look so lost or drowned out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, because they have a flat precise eyeshadow brush and a small pointed, I'm gonna go in with the flat precise. Before I spray my brush with anything, I want to see what it looks like without me spraying it. So I'm gonna go into this, ooh, almost touched you, this beautiful shimmer shade right here on the lid. The pickup is insane right now. Oh my gosh. Marry me, please. It's over with. Forget it. I'm gonna just go ahead and go in with the big fluffy brush that I had and just pack it on the lid because this is pissing me off because it's so fucking good. There's actually like another like berry color in here that I want to use, and I think I'm gonna pop that in the middle of my lid just because she's standing out and popping out at me right now, and I want that beautiful contrast. I'm gonna go crazy with these shimmer shades, honestly, guys. So now what I'm gonna do, because I kind of want to pop like some more shine in the inner corner, just a little bit lighter though. And I'll pop it like so in here, just on the inner corner. Are y'all hearing me right now? Oh my gosh, so good. Now I'm gonna go back into that darker transition shade and just pop her right here so we can mesh everything together now. Like, how could you not be obsessed with this? This is insanely pretty. Okay, now I think I'm gonna dust it under my eye, because why not? Knowing what I know now versus what I was doing back then, I am so proud of myself. Like, mommy, I have come a long way in my makeup application, because this is insane right now. So they did offer these cute liners. So this one is lavender. And we're gonna give her a main stage, center stage. The liners eat, seriously. So they gave me these, they're a soft matte lip tint, which is interesting because I don't really use lip tints, but I like this color right here. She's orange, and I get what they mean by soft matte lip tint. She's definitely orange. So I went ahead and I finished my makeup off camera for you guys. I did my lips and I put my lashes on. Oh my gosh, this look is definitely the look for spring and summer, because the berry vibes, it's definitely giving I'm here to stay this season. Like, I'm not going anywhere. Like, this is so flirty, this is so cute. Like, even if you were to like remove the liner and just keep the eyeshadow look, it's so subtle, so soft, so sultry, flirtatious. Like, the liner to me just gives it like that extra spring pop. Like, this is so daggone cute. If I had to rate everything out of this box, everything is like chef's kiss, 10s across the board, ate it right on up. Like, everything that I have, first of all, I'm gonna link down in the description box for you guys, so you guys, if you want to get it, you can. Also, like I said, everything can be found at Walmart. Y'all need to run to Walmart now and spend some coins. Spend some coins and get a lot. And when I say coins, I don't mean like, oh, it costs too much, you can't get nothing. No, I mean like, go spend some coins worth of getting this stuff, because the blushes, the liners, even the lip tints, and I'm not a lip tint kind of girly, but the lip tints, like all of the stuff in this palette, and the eyeshadow palettes, I always read about those. Their eyeshadow palettes are literally like the holy grail of the brand. You guys need to go out and like go get this stuff. Everything in this, and I'm not just saying this because they gifted it to me. Like I said, I used Profusion prior to even getting PR from it. So this is like a major like 180 for me, and being able to start off with Profusion, and now they're sending me stuff. Like, this is crazy to me. You guys need to go to the store right now and go get these. If you have not tried their palettes will gag you every single time. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure not to tune off of my channel just yet. Subscribe, you know, stay a little while, like, comment, find some other videos you may be interested in. That's hair, vlogs, of course more makeup, because makeup is what my channel mainly consists of. Like I said, become a bestie and subscribe. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Do not click off. Click one of these videos that's floating around my head right now. Click one. Bye.